Welcome back to Two Screw Review. Oh, wait on. Better. Two Screw Review is a series of videos where we put impact drivers, drills and impact wrenches up against each other one-on-one driving two screws. For full reviews and more information about any of the drivers I use in any of these Two Screw Review videos, take a look down in the description. Please consider subscribing. Let's get on with it. All of these two screw reviews will be done into a 4x4 or 100mm by 100mm H4 treated pine post. And in this installment, two Makitas, both 12V CXT, the brushed TD110D and the brushless TD111D. Who's going to come out on top? Should be pretty obvious. Brushed, brushless. 3, 2, 1. Brushless, brushed, 3, 2, 1. If you have a suggestion for any two impact drivers, wrenches, drills, and any configuration going up against each other, leave it down in the comments and I may do it in a future episode. Thanks for watching. For full reviews of the two drivers you just saw in this video, take a look down in the description, maybe up here. Have a look. They'll be there somewhere, and I'll see you on another one.